Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to hide apps on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the security app. Now from here, just swipe down and tap on hide apps. Now from here, just select the apps you want to hide. Just like that. Now from here, the selected apps will be hidden from your home screen and on your app drawer. Just like that. Now, if you want to access the hidden apps, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just swipe with two fingers on your home screen. Just like that. And this is how you can access the hidden apps on your Poco phone. Now, if you want to unhide the apps, just go to your home screen and open the security app. Now from here, just tap on hide apps. Now from here, just disable the selected apps. Just like that. Now from here, once you disable the selected apps, the apps will appear on your home screen and on your app drawer. Just like that. And this is how you can hide apps on your Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.